Hi, this is Janine from the OnSIP product team, and I'm going to give you a walkthrough of our brand new Agent Partner portal. First of all, if you go to app.onsip.com, where you'll be able to log in to your agent account using your agent SIP address and password. And once you're logged in, you will go directly into your partner portal. Over here, you see your left-hand navigation through your accounts list, your commission transactions, and your support hub. And over here at the bottom, you also see all of the information for the account you are currently viewing. So starting with our left-hand navigation and our account list, this is where you're going to see a list of all of your customer accounts. You can sort this list by any of the columns that you have up here, and you can also filter to find accounts with those specific terms. Another thing that you can do on here is you can also create a new customer account. So you add the account details, then you will be prompted to choose the payment plan, choose your customer's SIP domain, and then once you've created that account, you will see it listed here in your account list. Going over here to your commission list, this is where you can see all your different transaction types, and you can filter by the particular ones that you want to look at. On the payment transaction type, you will see one for each month. You can expand this to view all of the commission and transaction details for this report. For your application services, you have this table here. You can also sort by any of these columns. And then further down on your list, you have your gateway utilization revenue. And again, you can also sort by any of these columns as well. Now going over here onto your support hub. This is where you have a dedicated support hub. You can see and have direct access to your channel sales engineer by phone or email. You have a link to the OnSIP user guide that will open up in a new window. And you also have access to our partner resources that will open up in a new window. And if you go down here to the bottom, you can look at all of the partner support information and access to the tackle box that will help you with all of the resources that you need to be able to sell and support OnSIP for your customers. You also have access here to call our general support line. And if you want to add a ticket for the support team, you can go in here. You can select the type of issue or query you have, type in the details, and hit submit. Once you've submitted that ticket, it will actually be captured in your support hub, and you can look at those tickets at any time. I will go over here now to the right-hand control center. This will give you information about your own account that you're logged in at the moment. You can actually go in, if you're using OnSIP for your own PBX, this is where you can see your own PBX settings. You can make calls and manage your contacts. You can look at your call history dashboard, and you can go into the administrator tab to configure and control your PBX settings. You can also, from the support hub, go down to support, and this is where you will be able to view any support tickets that you may have submitted. If you want to go back to your agent partner portal, right here you click on the icon and you go back here to your agent portal. Finally, the last piece is if you are trying to support or view or configure a customer account. Again, you go down here, you're on your accounts list, you find the account that you're looking for, and if you click into this account ID, you will now access, you see you are the agent, and you are viewing your customer's account, and you are currently logged in as that customer administrator. So while you are doing work in here, be sure that you go into your customer's app settings, scroll down to the bottom, and hit Do Not Disturb. That way, if any calls come in for Joe Smith while you are working on Joe's PBX, you will not be receiving those calls. So now I'm logged in as Joe. I go into the Administrator tab, and this is where I can view and configure Joe's PBX account with access to users, phones, phone numbers, all of his inbound call handling, outbound directory, so on and so forth. And once you're done with setting up and supporting Joe's PBX account, and you need to go back to your agent partner portal, you just click on Back to Accounts, and here you are again. That's it for today. If you have any other questions or queries, please make sure that you contact your channel rep to help you out. Thank you so much.